If you're trying to decide which Osborne Little Peek Through books are you there to which one to pick, I wanted to go through them so you can kind of see inside. So the elephant has a cute little elephant at the end, and you're kind of hunting for him or her, and then there they are. And then here's the bunny. The bunny's cute, lots of finger trails, texture, cutouts. And then, almost there. Oh, now we found him. All right, and then the puppy, trying to find it. That's a kitty, and there it is. And the unicorn. Unicorn is nice and pretty. It's got bright colors, mermaid, narwhal, dragons, and the unicorn. All right, and then the tiger, some monkeys, finger trails, chameleon, and elephant, and the tiger. All right, and then the owl. Pretty finger trails there. Little bats, and there it is. And the little fox. I think you see its nose, but it's not. Maybe its tail, but it's a squirrel. A bat, and there it is. So hopefully that helps you decide.